This is John from near Chicago, and I'm doing the Great Divide mountain bike route from Kalispell going south to Butte. And this is the first day. I got into the airport around 3, and I assembled the bike and was on the road before 4. But it's just getting too late. It's 8 o'clock. It'll get dark about 9, and I decided I still got another 3 miles to the top of the hill or mountain, and then I go down to Swan Lake. So I decided I'd just come off on this little side road here and set my tent up. And tomorrow morning I'll shoot up to Swan Lake and replenish my water. Right now I have 1.5 water bottles left. I drank half of it. I filled up about 3-4 miles back. I'm on the gravel road now, so I'm in the National Forest. I got on that about 4 miles back. So I've been climbing, burning water, and it's 8 o'clock. It gets dark about 9, and I'm ready to call it. A little over 3.5 hours or so of pedaling today. Yeah, it's going good. I need to get my gear on the bike a little bit better, and we'll get things straightened out tomorrow.